how to fix Windows 10 or 11 activation error code 0xC004f074. So if you're also getting first such issue, this first thing what you want to do is just head over to your search bar and simply search in for services. So once you search in for services, just look for the option called software protection services, software protection. So just simply double click on it or just right click on it and simply head over to its properties. So just make sure it's on automatic and make sure it's running. If it's not in running, click start, click apply and click OK. So once you do all of that, just close the window. And next thing what you want to do is just come over to your search bar and just searching for task manager. Now just click on this file and run a new task if you're running on Windows 10. And now just click on browse. So once you click on browse, just select this PC option over here. And from here, just select local disk C and your Windows. And once you're inside your Windows, just select the option called system32. So once you're inside your folder system32, just look out for the cmd.apk. So simply open it and make sure to check this box over here before clicking on OK, and just click on OK. It will open up as an administrator privilege. And now simply paste these two code just like this, so which will basically scan completely if there's any package missing or if your Windows is corrupted, system is corrupted, just like that. So once you paste in and perform the scan, simply paste the second code from over here to restore your health option. And once you do all of that, just restart your PC and your issue should be fixed. So that is it for today, guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.